Chair, I don't want to respond now because this is a debate, if it is ever going to arise, for another day. But I do want to place on record that we don't accept many of these submissions. And in particular, the one worrying thing that we see is what the medical reports disclose is that Mr. Karim has not been hospitalized continuously since April. He tends to get hospitalized just as his appearances before this commission are scheduled. And that is worrying. And it's particularly worrying in the context of a situation where very basic, quite aside from his appearances, there are very basic requests for some documents to be furnished, like financial statements. It doesn't take much to issue an instruction for financial statements of a company to be made available to this commission if you're not in hospital. And what we see is a simple refusal to comply with these notices, coupled with a pattern of, as an appearance date appears, suddenly Mr. Karim needs hospitalization. Now, it may be perfectly true. It may be that by coincidence, or possibly not by coincidence, his medical condition compounded by the stress of an imminent appearance requires his hospitalization. It is, I'm not saying it's not true, but it is worrying. And what is particularly worrying is that very, very basic requests for information have been outstanding since Mr. Karim last testified, at a time when he was certainly fit enough to testify, fit enough to travel outside of the country, and we still wait for the documents that he promised us when he gave evidence. I don't want to say any more now. I'm hoping this never becomes an issue that we need to take further.
Now, thank you, Mr. Shaskalsin. For purposes of now, what sort of...
all we want is a postponement
just
until
a postponement
the 15th of June, nothing
period,
more.
Nothing more.
We put stuff on record now so that
Thank you.
Mr. Karim and his legal team know what our concerns are, but all we want is a postponement until 15th June.
Thank you. The hearing of Mr. Karim's testimony is postponed to 15 July 2026. You are both excused.